Turamine Software Review, Best Employee Monitoring Software. Employee monitoring software can easily cross the line, so choosing the right one matters. Turamine is one of the most powerful tools on the market, but is it the best in 2025? Let's talk about what most people don't tell you. Turamine is designed for businesses that need visibility into productivity, security, and compliance. It tracks application usage, websites, keystrokes, and even screen activity, depending on configuration. One major strength is behavior analytics. Turamine doesn't just log activity, it identifies risky behavior patterns like data leaks or policy violations. That's a big deal for regulated industries. You won't believe how detailed the reports are. Managers can see productivity trends across teams without micromanaging individuals. However, most people get this wrong. Turamine must be used transparently. Monitoring employees without disclosure can lead to legal and trust issues. Another downside is complexity. Setup and configuration take time, and small businesses may find it overwhelming at first. Pricing is also on the higher end compared to basic monitoring tools. Turamine is clearly built for mid-sized to large organizations. The surprising truth is that Turamine works best as a security and compliance tool, not just productivity tracking. In 2025, if your company handles sensitive data or remote teams, Turamine offers serious value. Used ethically and correctly, it protects both the business and employees. Subscribe for more software reviews that balance power with practicality.